I'll show you the bath. It's in the back. I'll sit down. It has a raised toilet. It has a full bathtub, a cabinet, a full cabinet. And this is the medicine cabinet with all of its stuff rearranged. And this is a cedar-lined closet from the end of the bed all the way to the end of the coach. The bunks can either be up or down. Plenty of room. This is the original interior, including the shag carpet from 1908. It can be divided by a curtain in case we have people sleeping in the front. The dinette falls down, folds down to make a bed, which you'll either sleep two or one, depending on age, family, sex. You can sleep up to 6 people. We have a great refrigerator, freezer section, nice and big. Storage above. Storage here. Cooking area. We have made one modification to the under the sink, which is great, which gives us more room. It's a pull-out. Normally this was cut this way to accommodate the plumbing. Eric reworked the plumbing, and now I can keep all my junk in there, and nobody knows where it is. In the front, 2 beautiful captain's chairs, which rotate to the right and move forwards and backward. Curtains divide it. We have roof air conditioning, and we have air conditioning in the front. Original. Nice, bright lights. It's perfect. We have a table that we can work on at night. We have plenty of cooking counter. For a family of 2, it was great. We took a 30-day trip in it when we bought it with 3 of us, and there was space for all of us. Up in the front, in the middle section, or in the back, if anybody needed to have their own room, their own space. You know how families go. Basically, we've left the interior as it is. When was the last time you saw shag carpeting from 1978 that still existed?